Welcome back, hero. Today I'm going to explain how to stop using gaming as escapism and begin leaning into creating a life that you want to live, all within the realm of gaming analogies. Remember, gaming is not the problem. Games taking over real life while creating other problems is the problem. Understanding the realm of gaming escape. We all know that gaming provides a gratifying break from reality. Escape through gaming is like equipping some sort of suit of invincibility in the most Dark Souls-like level in life. It gives us shelter. It stops this encroaching monotony. It allows a breather from emotional drama, and it boosts enthusiasm and enjoyment. But here's the thing. An endless state of invincibility isn't really fun, is it? Like, the goal is never to coast through the entire game without ever having a challenge or taking any harm in the process. Eventually, we learn that unchecked escapism can spawn a downward spiral, like a whirlpool pulling us into the depths of an overwhelming sea of regret. Now, how about instead, we convert this gaming escapism into a vessel of purpose, a spark and identity, decoding the master plan, your path to creating the life that you want. Have you ever considered how each of us are essentially playing a specific character class in this vast multiplayer RPG called life? Throughout our gaming adventures, whether it's slaying a mythical beast, solving an ancient alien puzzle, or becoming a guitar-rocking hero, it's exhilarating to gain new skills, to overcome struggles, to progress, to evolve. And this growth is often measurable and structured. And guess what? We can take direct lessons from that and put that into our own personal development and personal growth journey. Various RPG elements serve as stepping stones. Quests boost motivation. Party members support and cover weaknesses. And seeing how far we've come really becomes this reward in itself. These mechanisms are some of the necessary feedback loops that we can apply to real life so that we stop trying to escape from it and start looking forward to becoming an epic adventurer ourselves. Putting the quest in motion, the 8-step guide. Curious to unravel these gaming life hacks and start your own quest to becoming the best version of yourself? Good, because here's the big reveal. Number 1. Emotion recognition. Know your triggers. Learn to identify when you are leaning towards gaming as escape. What emotions trigger that urge? Understanding this can help you manage your reactions better. So I'll tell you a story about Riley. Riley's triggers. Initially, Riley noted that her gaming flared up during stages of high stress or intense boredom. So she took a pause and acknowledged these high-pressure moments. That's the start. Awareness is the start. 2, healthy substitution, alternate activity. Find other activities that can provide a similar sense of relief. It could be a physical activity like running or mental stimulation, such as reading a captivating book or creating your own adventure. Riley's alternates. To challenge this, Riley picked up drawing. She channeled her love for gaming into sketching her favorite characters, developing a new skill, and immersing in a real-life skill development process. 3, meditative exercise, mindful gaming. While gaming, stay present. Notice the sounds, the visuals. Notice your posture, your breathing, and how you feel while you are playing and after you are playing. Do this to harness awareness and center yourself in the moment. Mindful Riley. Even amidst the plan building and dragon slaying, she trained herself to savor each gaming moment. She honed in on the graphics, the sound effects, the soundtracks, the character dialogues, really immersing herself in the full experience. This takes it more from escapism into being present and being more aware of the process that you are going through as you are playing, so that later you can take those bits of important information and the mechanics and put those into your real life. If the sounds really get you excited, well, maybe you need to add some sound effects and soundtracks to your life. 4, reality check. Balance your time. Keep an honest log of your daily activities. Check your phone for how many hours you've dumped into unintentional apps. 2 hours a day adds up to be 14 hours a week and 56 hours a month, 672 hours a year. That's 28 days. Like, what could you do with 28 days of time? This is time that you could spend learning, working out, creating something awesome, making friends, traveling, writing that story that you keep delaying. The key is to realign your priorities using this new awareness. When you start noticing where your time goes and how it affects the rest of your life in the future, it becomes clearer on what you should do and more motivating to take the right action. Riley's reality check. Riley owned up to it. Her daily log was no longer this end credit scroll that she just kind of passed over. With this newfound awareness, she balanced her gaming hours and made room for other real-life pursuits. 5. Self-dialogue, inner counsel meeting. Ask yourself the tough questions. Why are you gaming right now? Is there something else that you should be addressing? Is there a part of you that wants you to play? And why? How much better would you feel when you make more progress on your real life? You'll be surprised how illuminating these chats with your inner questing party or these mini personalities within you can be. See, I'm under the perspective that you have all the resources and all the awareness and knowledge that you need to make these changes in your life. But you need to talk to those parts. You need to access these different NPCs or characters within you so that you can get the advice that you can know what to do, and then you got to take those actions. Pep talk with Riley. In Riley's new chapter, she started questioning her lengthy gaming sessions and the intentions behind them. Rather than ignoring the thoughts and this negative thought spiral that she was used to, she placed them right in front of her, like this unsolved game puzzle ready to be put together. 6. Cognitive shift. Reframe your views. Instead of viewing gaming as an escape, see it as one of the many activities in your life. This shift in perspective can help you take more control because of your awareness and your intention that you're bringing into it. Riley's reframe. Her game was still on, but this time, gaming wasn't about escaping. It was another memorable part of her life. It wasn't a time sink. It wasn't something that she just did, that she found herself playing games. It was an avenue for relaxation and enjoyment done with intention and at the right times. 7. Human connection, social interaction. Maintain your social connections. A lot of us play games because we like the social connection that we have with other people, and that's good. But you could also join clubs, catch a movie with some friends, invite them over for gaming sessions at your place, have this long LAN party like I used to do way back in the day, trying to finish Diablo 1 or Diablo 2 in one sitting. Sharing experiences fosters better emotional health. Riley's real-life interaction. She joined a local art club where she started using this gaming-inspired drawings and these sketches. And her stories started resonating with her friends, and the new people that she met at the club started sparking new friendships that rivaled her online guilds. 8. Professional support. Seek counseling. If escapism starts affecting your quality of life, don't hesitate to seek support from mental health professionals or coaches. Sometimes a neutral, third-party perspective is just what you need to shake things loose a bit. Riley's counseling. So she had some tough boss fights, she had a bad day at work, and then she came back to the games and it started to progress again. She started to play more without thinking. She'd pick up her phone and play a couple rounds whenever she could. And so then she sought some counselor's help. This game master of the mind, if you will, was able to guide her through more complex terrain and her emotions and what to do with her future. This continued awareness combined with what she was already doing, she's already been through it before, she was able to handle that. But sometimes we do need some help. Sometimes we do need some support. And that's how we maintain momentum, is awareness and continuously showing up. So remember, the goal is not to entirely quit gaming or any other enjoyable habit, but it's to ensure that it's a positive part of your life without overshadowing other necessary and fulfilling aspects. So walk the path of your own life, your own adventure at your own pace, and appreciate the progress that you make, and life will reward you even more for showing up, for doing what the hero needs to do. Remember, the hero doesn't stay in the inn and just wait for an adventure to happen. They go out there, they seek adventure, they tackle their dragons. Not tackle their dragons, but they seek their dragons and quests and growth and skill development and more experience. If you like this video, if it was helpful, consider liking, sharing, and subscribing. Good luck, have fun. Oh, and check out this video over here to learn more about how to turn your personality type into a real-life character class so that you can regain control over your life and build better relationships in the process. See you next time. Peace.